Okay, so welcome back guys to my channel Technician. So it's been a long time since I've posted in a while because I've been busy in all school and all, so yeah. So anyway, today I've ordered, I got the Tagg Sports Plus earphones. So yeah, I was really in the need of Bluetooth earphones. So I was like, let's just go for these. So probably in the back you might be able to see that the MRP shows rupees 6,000, and probably in the sale I got it for a very cheap price. I got it for like 2,100. All year round the MRP shows like a 3,500 thing, but you can get it down to 2,500 range sometimes. So yeah, you can get it cheap sometimes. So I will really be testing out the quality. So some things they already know, which the Tagg markets about. They market about its noise cancellation, its longer battery life, and its ergonomic design, which does not come out when you're doing sports, all that. So it's particularly for sports purpose. So yeah, so I'll be checking out whether it's perfect for you people, and then whether you should buy it or not. So also along with that you can so after that let's just get on to the unboxing, and then I'll be testing the battery life, the power stop, and then also about the Tagg markets about its magnetic the magnet earphones on the back. So when you wear it like this, you'll be able to connect to the magnet. So that's just a small thing, it doesn't matter that much. So yeah, we'll be testing that out. So yeah, let's get on to the unboxing. Okay, so guys, you can see here I have the Tagg Sports Plus. So it's from Tagg Technologies, and then yeah, it's basically earphones. So you can see the packing is not bad here. So let's just go on with the opening. Oh, okay, so I'll just be tearing it open. I really don't care. One second. So over here you can see the Tagg Sports Plus earphones. So it comes with a proper box, and then it comes with a small manual, a small user's manual. Okay, yeah, so it tells that it has a linear button which you can have multi-functions with it. You can control the power, answer calls, end calls, change track, everything you can do with it. And then it's just a bit of the features, stereo sound, Bluetooth and all. So that really doesn't matter. I'll be testing that out anyway. So I don't think. And then the LED indication, how to charge. And then one thing, don't forget while charging is the input of the charge should not be more than 1 amp, because it'll be causing problems to the thing. So I'm opening it up. Okay, so you can see these are the earphones. They seem pretty light. They're actually very light. The charging cable, and you have 2 extra pairs of earbuds of different sizes, so that it's perfect for your fit. It's totally perfect for you to wear and does not come out whenever you're running or anything, marathon runs. So over here I have the Tagg earphones. Okay, so this is just to connect the Wi-Fi. It's extra. You can see the magnetic function over here, and then the ergonomic fit and all I'll be seeing. So probably they seem pretty nice. It's not a bad quality. The quality of this is also not bad. I really like the quality of this. It has around 3. It has 3 buttons, and then you can see over here. One second. How do you open this? Oh my god, how do you open this? Okay, anyway, one second. Let's check the user manual. So it's warranty, accessories, charging cable, carry pouch, 3 pairs of earbuds, and then how do you open that? Oh my god, this is weird. This part is a bit irritating. Is it a button? What does it do? Oh, okay, so you just pull it out. So it is like this. Oh my god, that was irritating. So anyway, it comes like this. You have the charging port over here, and then so the finish seems pretty nice, and then they don't look that bad. They look pretty nice. The head is, this area is metal, and then magnetic, and all. I pretty like them. I like them. So I'll be probably testing out the battery life. So yes, I'll be testing out the battery life now. Okay guys, so probably I showed you the unboxing. So that video I made around 4 months ago, more than that actually. I didn't have the time to actually upload it, and I actually made, how do I say, a feedback on that day only. But then now my opinion about the product has changed. So you can see over here the Tagg Sports Plus Bluetooth earphones. So I would say, I actually bought them for discount. I would say on the MRP box it's around 5,000 I guess. So I bought them for around 2.2 in a discount sale. So I would range them in that range and then compare it with products in that range and then tell you whether they're good or not. So first of all, I would say the Bluetooth range, it would go around 5 to 6 meters properly, and then after that I would say it starts crackling a bit. So the sound quality of these is actually very nice. I really love it. I would actually rate the sound quality easily a 4 out of 5 or something. I'll give you an average overall product rating at the end of the video. So I would rate the sound quality, I guess, around 4 out of 5. And then after that, I would say the fitting. Personally, the fitting for me is not that great. They gave only 3 earbud fittings, and none of them suit me properly. The earphones sometimes, when I'm doing some intense workout or something, they just fall off, and then it's kind of irritating. So the fitting and all, I would rate it at 3.53, a 3 out of 5. But the noise cancellation is actually pretty good, I would say. For this range, it's an amazing noise cancellation, and then it's amazing. I'm not even joking. So I would rate that around 4.5. It's worth a 4.5 out of 5 noise cancellation for this price range product. Other than that, the bass, everything is amazing for these. And then along with that, I would say this button, the middle button, it has many features. You can either forward it by long press, backward it by long press, increase the volume, decrease the volume, pause music, pick up calls, reject calls, do multiple things. So that overall feature thing is amazing. It's easily a 5 on 5. It's more than enough features you would ever need in that middle button. And the weight of these is pretty less. It's very light. These earphones, I use my friend's Samsung U Level Up or something earphones. So I would compare them, and then these are way better overall sound quality, the fitting, even the fitting actually, I'm surprised. The fitting, the sound quality, everything. So these earphones I would really recommend you to go for, because they come in the 2.4 price range in rupees, 2000 to 2400 price range in rupees, and they're totally worth it. I would even rate them better than the Tagg Inferno, because the Tagg Inferno, in the end, you'll be getting them in the same price range. I don't know how. Even in during the sale and all that, you'll get it for the same price range. I got these for exactly 2,249 rupees. So I will be comparing. So I would say these are one of the best budget Bluetooth earphones. Though I would recommend Tagg to give more variety. How would I say? Better, more number of earbuds for better fitting, so that we can select which fitting suits us better. Along with that, it's totally sweat proof. So if you sweat, it won't go in the speakers. It won't go in the speakers, and it's proper. It's a pretty good Bluetooth earphones for working out and everything. So thanks guys. This is I'm from Technician, and then please subscribe to my channel. Drop a like and comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching.